Hi everyone, a very good morning to all. My name is Dipayan and I am from Kolkata. This is a brand new YouTube channel which I created recently by my own name. Since I couldn't find anything interesting or quite suitable to my channel with regards to the contents that I'll put up. Contents, yup, there will be random contents. Contents relating to automobiles, especially motorcycles, since I am more into bikes than cars. And most of my vlogs will be shot on the saddle, since I like the motovlog style of shooting videos. And yes, there will be lifestyle vlogs, as in the minimalistic lifestyle. I'm a simple life seeker, so I would like to share the benefits of minimalist lifestyle. I'm sure it will be quite helpful for people. It helps you in more than one ways, in making your life simple, in creating an emotional balance so that you feel more happy, more powerful in your day-to-day life and in the long run as well. And of course there will be videos regarding customization of motorcycles, DIY videos, maintenance stuff. Although I am not a very big fan of heavy modifications to your motorcycle, but yes, I do believe that bit of a customization in the right direction does help a lot. So I would be sharing the customization which I do to my motorcycle to make it more unique or make it more usable, more likable, and to so that it serves a better purpose in your life, and that feel-good factor stays all the time. So yes, I would be making such videos as well. This is the Honda Highness CB350. It's fairly a new bike, hardly 1500 kilometers or so done, or maybe less. And the footage you see is being recorded through a GoPro Hero 9 Black, so it should be fine enough. Do let me know in the comments whether I need to do any changes regarding the camera angle or the audio output. This is a very subtle motorcycle, which I would like to call it. It's a very smooth, very absolutely not intimidating. It's a very relaxed engine that Honda has provided in this setup. You could cruise at 80-90 all day with no fatigue at all. I'm in National Highway 6, or Bombay Road as they call it. The sound of this bike is seriously something to be noted. It is so pleasing to the ears. Even after wearing a helmet, you get to hear that that I can't explain in words. I mean, the sound is awesome. I'm not a very big fan of loud exhausts, but this one is it's good. It's loud, at the same time it's not annoyable. It's not annoying. Not annoying at all. I'm around 50 or 60 kilometers away from the city, I guess. So I will take a U-turn from somewhere over here, because I do not plan to go any far away. So let's see. It's a very risky affair in the highway to take a U-turn all of a sudden. So I have to wait for a junction to arrive, where there's a locality and some sort of stoppage or something. From there it is generally easier and at the same time safer to take a U-turn. So until then, do enjoy the scenery along with me. I think we are heading for a junction. Yes, from here I can take a U-turn. It's not a proper junction, but yes, I see a cutout and a proper U-turn facility. So why not? Yeah. So yes, regarding the setup, I think I have to do something to enhance the audio. That's what I feel. I have not yet seen the footage. It's still recording, and I'm yet to check the recording and the audio output through several devices like headphones or computer speakers, laptop speakers, how it sounds, because yes, I kind of have an OCD regarding these things, so I think I will face issues regarding wind noises and traffic around me over here. So let's see if I can fix it through some software or something, or if not, then I have to upgrade the mic setup in my helmet. Video should be fine except the angle. That's what I feel. I was just checking the audio controls in the GoPro. That is one of the most cool feature which I found in the GoPro. This especially while you're riding, or when both your hands are engaged into some activity, and this is a really handy feature by GoPro, that you could use voice commands to turn it on and turn it off and whatnot. A couple of very important commands that it performs at your voice. So that's a really cool feature. So I was just testing that out and it worked flawlessly. I would also be discussing, topics related to, psychology. I mean, now see, guys, to be very honest, I have been through depression and all. So we all go through it at some point in our life. So, and I have come out of it successfully without the need of any kind of, doctor or any kind of medication or any kind of therapy, and I solved it by myself. And it is not difficult, guys, it's not at all difficult. So I would also share my experience and how I got out of it, and I would definitely like to help people out, people who are going through it. So there would be topics regarding these things as well, and many other random topics. Very good brakes, I'm impressed. I would also make a separate video regarding the performance of this bike in city and in highway. I would give my share of experience. I had felt a couple of niggles in the past 1,000 kilometer or maybe 1.5 months or so, 2 months. I would also share those, and of course the pros, the big pros, and the cons which you should consider before buying it. If you cannot live with those cons, you should not buy it. Such kind of negatives, I would also mark them, and I would make a separate video regarding this. Alright guys, so I will be heading towards home now, and I just wanted to record this video, for the introduction purpose. Nothing more to talk about in this video, to give you all a brief idea about what all I will be sharing in the upcoming vlogs. I would try and make vlogs as often as possible and post them. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, guys. I hope you have a very bright day ahead. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.